Dear students, let us move on to the next problem in isometric projection. The problem is three cubes of side 60 mm, 40 mm and 20 mm are placed centrally one above the other in the descending order of their side. Draw the isometric projection of the combination. Let us see this problem. So let us construct the cubes of 60 mm, 40 mm and 20 mm and place centrally one above another in descending order of their side. Let us construct the first cube of 60 mm side. I'll go to line command. I'll go to line command. Let's select the thicker line. Let's select the thicker line. So let us construct the first cube of side 60 mm. So I'm constructing the first cube of side 60 mm and angle is 30 degree. Then from this corner I'm constructing of length 60 and angle is 150 degree. Then from this side length is 60, angle is 30 degree. Then length is 60, angle is, let's put minus 30 degree. Now the height is also 60 mm, length is 60, angle is 90 degree. Let's pick this from here. The length is 60, angle is 90 degree. Then from here the length is 60, angle is 90 degree. Then from here the length is 60, angle is 90 degree. Angle should be 90 degree. So let's move on to line. From this corner, length is 60, angle is 90 degree. Let's connect all the top surface corners to get the cube. This is the cube. This is the cube. Now I will erase the hidden edges. Let us erase the hidden edges. So this is not visible. Let's erase it. Now let us, this is a cube of 60 by 60 mm. It's a cube of 60 mm. Now similarly, let's construct the second cube. Let us construct the second cube of side 60 mm. So now in the next step, I'll select this. And before that, let's find the center. Let's find the center. So I'll go to line command and choose the thin line. Let's choose the thin line. Midpoint of this line and midpoint of this line. Let's find the center. Then midpoint of this, showing midpoint symbol, and midpoint of this. Similarly, bottom surface. Let's find a midpoint. This midpoint and this midpoint. Then this midpoint and this line midpoint. You will get the center. Now I'll construct another cube of 40 mm and 20 mm. So for that I'll use a shortcut method. So select this cube of 60 mm, then go to the scale. And now scale factor is, let's switch on this copy. Scale factor is required dimension divided by actual dimension. So required dimension is 40 mm. So 40 divided by actual dimension. Actual dimension of this cube is 60 mm. Let's make it 60. Required dimension divided by actual dimension. And press enter from your keyboard. You will get the second cube. Then automatically you will get the third cube. This is I constructed all three cubes. Now let's place one above another. Now I am trimming the invisible hidden edges. Let's trim. This is not required. I am trimming this. Not visible. Let's trim this. Not visible. Let's trim this. And even this center, I don't want these centers. Let's trim it. Now select the second cube. Select the second cube. Go to the move command. So I'll go to the move command. Let's switch off copy. Select this center and place exactly at the center of the top surface. Let's place it exactly at the center of the top surface. I'm placing like this. Now trim the hidden edges. I'll trim the hidden edges. Go to trim and let's trim these hidden edges. I don't want these edges. Let's trim it. So let's trim all hidden edges. Is not required. These are the hidden edges. I'm trimming all hidden edges. Next, let's move on to the third. So select this solid. Go to the move command. Let's zoom this area. So I'll select this. I'll go to the move command. Let us move on to the move command. Copy should be off. Select the bottom surface center and place exactly at the center at the top surface of the second cube and trim the hidden edges. Let's trim all hidden edges. I'm trimming these hidden edges. Let's trim these hidden edges. This is not visible, not visible, not visible. This is not visible. These two are not visible. Let's trim all hidden edges. Trim all hidden edges. And next one is let's fit the sheet and finally convert into isometric scale. Let's select the complete solid. Let's select the complete solid like this and go to scale. Go to scale. Switch off copy. Scale factor is 0.8164 and press enter from your keyboard and click anywhere on the screen. You will get the isometric projection of three cubes of sides 60, 40, 20 are placed centrally one above the other in the descending order of their sides. Thank you and thank you so much for watching my video.